Hi everyone, introducing an exciting hackathon. It's known as AI Infra Summit Hackathon. You can build production grade AI application on modern AI infrastructure stack. So it's a hybrid hackathon that is happening between September 10th to 16th. So the official hackathon of AI Summit is organized by Kisako Research and Lab AI. So you will build production grade AI application on the modern AI infrastructure stack alongside 8,000 plus attendees, researchers, founders, and infra leaders. So the on-site participation is by invite only. Travel and accommodation expenses will not be covered. So you can come to this platform and sign up for it. So this is the whole process. So this is the on-site track where we have autonomous sorting with voice commands. So you build in front of the AI infrastructure ecosystem there. It's more than just a traditional hackathon. You have industry sessions, mentorship, project showcase. So they will update the award session soon, but they are bound to give you some decent rewards. So you can go ahead and apply for it. So the hackathon timings you can see here. End of submissions is September 17th. So you can go ahead and apply for it. And if you like such interesting hackathons, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel IdeaMela. Thank you very much.